Hello Glam Squad, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gigi. So you probably noticed there was no video on Monday. I have a friend in from out of town and things just got away from me. So what I'm going to do today is my favorites and fail for 2021. And then you will see me again next week on Monday for another video. My plate is too full to get anything ready for Friday, so I do apologize for that, but thank you so much for watching today's video. And without further ado, here we go. Hello Glam Squad, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gigi and it is the beginning of the year, so I thought we would just take a little bit of time and go over some of the products I bought this year that I really loved and the one thing I bought that I really didn't love, and we'll save that one to the end. Okay. In no particular order, because I really enjoyed most of these things, we're going to go ahead and talk about them. I am going to go ahead and start with these two top coats because they are actually my least favorite. So it's the 7-Star non-wipe top coat as well as the Gel Elixir non-wipe top coat. They're both soak off. And here's the thing, I don't hate them or anything. They're really useful. They were inexpensive and I love using them on the press-on sets that I do for the channel, right? But if I were going to use these on a press-on set for somebody else or use them on myself, what I find happens is they dull out really quick. They don't stay as shiny as you want them to do. And of course, I'm super spoiled by using the Light Elegance Super Shiny. So these are great for your practice stuff or the things you're just doing for your channel. But on yourself, I would say maybe not so much, guys. So it's not a fail, but not a full favorite. How about that? Not a full favorite. Okay. Now, a couple of these things came from the nail shop that I go to. So I cannot list them for you below. Actually, I can list their website. I'm not sure if they ship out of state, but you could certainly check. I don't see why they wouldn't, right? But maybe they don't. But I bought this set of toenail clippers there for like $3, you guys. And they are so good. And I use them primarily to cut my nails off with. And it's just like, chick, and they're gone. So if you have a shop near you, my recommendation is for these to go ahead and just go in there and check. I bet they've got you a pair for less than $5 that you're going to love. Give it a try. The other thing, one of the other things I got from them, from that shop, are these D&D DC cat eye and color changing polishes. These are so lovely to work with, you guys. The consistency is just dreamy and I love the colors. Only one of the cat eyes, and that's going to be this pink one here that's called Turkish Angora. The cat eye on that is super subtle, so I wish it was more white like you see here. It's really more of a light pink, and so it doesn't show up as much as you may want it to, but it's still real pretty. But the other ones, their cat eyes are gorgeous, and I definitely am going to go back and get as many more as I can. And I love the color changing ones as well, because they really do change and they really are very evident. It gives you a nice ombre finish, or just like a nice surprise when you dip your hands in a different temperature of water and your nails change color and somebody goes, oh my God, what happened to your nails? It's super fun. The other thing I got at the shop is this Light Elegance Mermaid glitter gel. Guys, it's, just look at it. Do I need to say anything else? I mean, come on. Look at that. Oh, look at the there's pink in there. There's blue in there. There's teal. There's green. I see some purple. I mean, oh gosh. All right, why have I not done more nails with this? This is coming up to the channel very soon. This needs to be done, so maybe we do it over here. Let me know in the comment section below if you want to see that on this hand. This week, tell me. Okay. Switching away from a nail shop, and honestly, guys, check all the nail shops in your area and see if they sell to the public. You can't get anything you don't ask for. Check for the DNC polishes as well as the CND Creative Play polishes, or any of the CND polishes. And also, guys, not this particular, the DC polishes, but they have a lot of colors of the D&D polishes on Amazon, and they are almost all of them under $12. So please go check those out. They're good polish, okay? And you get a polish and a gel polish. So for that price, you're ending up paying like $6 a piece or less. So just go check them out. Now, switching over to Model 1s real quick. I only have one thing from them this year. Not that I haven't bought more things, but they're things that we already had in the collection, like those solid cream gels. I got new colors. But I don't feel like it's fair to say they're my favorites when they were listed last year. And they've been in the collection for a while, but you know how much I love those. But one thing I got from Model 1s this year that's new for me is their Inspire Gel line. And I want to say their other polishes I like, these I love. They have more of a consistency similar to the DNC or the DND polishes, so I really like that. They have more of a professional consistency. The way that they apply is better. They don't separate at all. They're just really beautiful. The glitter lays down beautifully in the ones that have glitter. And the two that I have that are color changing, the color changing is just as nice as the DNC ones that I have that color change. So if you want to try Model 1s, try the Inspire Gel. Honestly, you guys, you won't regret it. They are really, really nice. Okay, this year I got from iMethod Beauty a couple of things. I got this transfer foil glue, and we all know how much I love that. There's just no two ways about it. One of the other things that I bought a lot of this year because of this transfer foil glue was transfer foil. And you guys know I got like 1,200 sheets of transfer foil this year. I love them so much. I cannot tell you how much the combination of transfer foil and the iMethod Beauty nail foil glue has just made me so happy. If you're on the fence about it, get off the fence, go get it. They're going to give you a deal. You can buy 2 for 1. And then there'll be a little card in there that says, hey, tell us you bought this and we'll send you another one for free. So you're going to get so much product. You're going to love the product. And just try some different transfer foils, because if you're not a professional like me and you are trying to pull something off and you're having a hard time, I bet there's a transfer foil out there that'll do it for you lickety split. So just give it a try, okay? Another thing that I got from iMethod Beauty this year was their poly gel. They have a light purple. I'm trying to find the other one, you guys. Oh, here it is. Light purple, natural pink come together in a 2-pack. I love this. It's light on your fingers, but strong. I don't get breakage or lifting. It's very nice poly gel. It's not sticky and it's firm. And if you're a friend of the channel, you know Mama likes a firm poly gel. That's the truth. Okay. One thing that I got this year that I didn't actually buy, it just came in some kits that I had gotten over the last couple years and I had never used. And this actually came in this kit, which we're going to talk about in a second, are these butterfly shaped forms. And I don't use them for myself. I still really like the fish shape ones for myself. But these butterfly shapes are so good for Carmen. They fit on her so, so well. If you were wanting to see her, this is Carmen. She's got those beautiful brown nails on. She's holding my lipstick. But these hold on to her because they go all the way around the finger and connect in the back very well. So if you have a practice hand and you struggle with forms, buy the butterfly shape. And honestly, the wider, the better. There you go. Okay, we did a big order from AliExpress this year. Oh no, Shein, you guys, Shein. And I got, like, let me pull another drawer out here. Guys, I got a ton of stickers from them. All of them are lovely, okay? Not these don't count. These were last year. But I got these butterfly stickers, which I haven't actually used yet, but I have used enough of the stickers from the collection, like these raised up flower stickers, and these didn't get used, they got ruined, and that's one thing I'm gonna say is a mini fail, is that these stickers, like these right here, they lift up real easy and get stuck to other things, and so it's impossible to store them. They're nice on the nail, they lay really flat and beautiful, but if you don't store them super carefully, they get ruined. But like these in the little packages, these are great, and this is by the Dada Kern. And these were not something I bought this year, they were a gift, but I'm including that too. This little set that I bought that's all the little tattoos and the dragons and the snakes and stuff, those are great stickers. Remember I bought these little nail gallery sheets. I really like those a lot as well. So all of the little doodads and whatnots that I got, these were a gift as well, but remember, these are gorgeous. And these were also a gift. Again, really gorgeous. So I really had a good time with all the stickers. And if you remember in that haul, I also got these brushes. Not this one. Not this one. This one went with that. These brushes, considering they were like $1.98 or some crap, they're really nice, you guys. So they're not going to last a long time, but they're really good for cleaning up. They're really good for thicker lines. They're not great for thin lines, but they're good for thicker lines. They're good for doing simple florals or filling in an area. The fan brushes are so great for ombres or doing messy marble looks, or picking up glitter and flicking it onto the nail to give sort of a dusted look. There's so many things that you can use these for, and they were like $2. So if you destroy them, who cares? You can use the back end as a pick to keep your hair up. That's what I do. That's what I do, y'all. Okay, so I've got stuff here that is not part of this. So let me move that out. They accidentally came out of the drawers. They accidentally came out of the drawers. The last thing we're going to talk about is the last thing I got this year, and this was the present from my daughter. And also is what I used to do this set right here. I just wanted to take my glove off so you could see that. I'll link that video for you so you can check it out. It was from last week. And I used this, and no, just glitter. This, and this. And then I just used plain glitter that, well, actually it's hollow glitter that I have in my collection. And that came last year, so that can't be included in this list, you guys. I'm sorry. But this Saviland colored builder gel set, like I said when I did the unboxing, there's not a ton in each of these, so you're not going to be using this to build nails. These are to be encapsulated, or I suppose you could use them on top, but honestly, you're going to file them away if you do that. And they're not, some of them are not the most richly pigmented, some of them are a little better. But I used them to embed underneath the Saviland Builder Gel I already have. So if you're going to use it like that, I recommend this little kit. It's very nice. And they've got two others. In the, I linked the set in the description of the video that I did for this. So get over there and check that one out as well. Okay, guys, that is my mini favorites for the year. So the fail, real quick, is these Wakodo, it's Wakodo, right? Yes, Wakodo nail art stamping plates. I've communicated with the company. They actually offered to send me another set, and I straight up said to them in the email, look, if they are not higher quality than what you've already sent me, please don't bother, because they already don't work. How is another set of something that doesn't work going to make it better? I would never recommend buying anything, any of the stamping plates from them. I cannot speak to all their other products. I'm not saying they're a horrible company, but whoever's making these plates for them is doing a shit job. Oops. Sorry, guys. Bleep. A really crappy job. So don't buy the Wakota plates. Everything else in the video, I pretty much recommend to varying degrees, because this one was a hit or miss. Guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Let me know in the comment section below, what were your favorites and fails for this year? If you did a video, please let me know about it, because I want to come and watch it. You're going to give me some inspiration of what to buy and what not to buy. We're going to see you in the next video on Wednesday, which will maybe be these nails. We'll see. Bye-bye, guys.